So hello guys, welcome back again and good day to you guys. So for now, for this vlog, we are going to open a new one. This is not like parang hindi siya delivery, but it's one of the things that my classmate give it to me, and her name is Jamaica, of course, yeah. Because I just want to thank her, like very thankful talaga ako that she gave me this one, and I'm so freaking shocked, and it was unexpected. And nung Wednesday pa yata to niya nung Wednesday, nung after dismissal of our class, kinawagan niya ako ganito, ganyan, tapos yan, ganyan yung binigay niya sa akin. And so on and so forth. I was really happy that time. I didn't know what to expect from this, and I'm just so happy. And I just want to mention here on my vlog, of course, I just want to mention her name so that when it will be the time that maybe sooner or later that she will find out that I'm doing the vlog right now on her things, like the one that she gave me, then I think he will be happy ganurge. So I know that this is very unexpected din, and nung Thursday yata siya nung nabigay niya sa akin. I'm not sure, or Wednesday. Though, I'm just happy and I really appreciate it. And I just want to open it this vlog, and I want to make it more aesthetic or more appreciable. I know there are so many words that are coming out of my mouth right now, and some of the words are just, it's just random. So, excuse me. So this is the package. The packaging is very good. I like it. Parang akala mo she bought it from Shein. Anyways, also guys, ano yun? That time, Jamaica tells me that, basta it's about like something you see like ganun ngayon. I'm not sure. Wait, I'll just going to read again our messages so that I will explain it to you guys what is the right explanation of it. So yeah. So anyways guys, mali pala yung sinabi ko kanina. It's from the US pala siya, guys. Hindi siya UC. Ano ba? Saan ba nanggaling yung UC coming out of my mouth? Like, grabe.